Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing 3 boxes of 17 Leaf Ultimate Draft Football for Chris. Thank you as always, and good luck with the boxes. Well, first up, James Conner, Tyrone Swoops, Gerard Evans, that is 9 of 15. Jake Butt, 12 of 15. And Mike Williams, 7 of 10. I think that was a pretty good box, wasn't it? Box 2. Good luck, box 2. Samaje Perine, 14 of 25. Quincy Wilson, 92 gold rookie auto. Evan Engram. Hey, honey, just a second. Can I call you back? Okay, bye. Sorry about that. Davis Webb, 1 of 10. And John Ross, 12 of 15. All right, box 3. Good luck. All right, first up, Cooper Rush. Tareen Folston. Sidney Jones, 13 of 15. Jabil Peppers, 24 of 25. And 1 of 1. Cam Robinson, black plate. There you go. Thanks, Chris. Let me know if you want any more. And you ready, Tony? I'll let Tony take back over. Four left, and that's all we have of draft. We only got 1 case. They only made 200 cases, so. Can you put his name?